The second dwelling here at the Hoxton Park Technical Training Centre, and the most northern dwelling, has an Enphase microinverter system, and we've installed a Tesla car charger. The Enphase system is made up of 6 panels. There is 4 on the west and 2 on the east. The Enphase system consists of what we call an iBoard. This is a pre-built board that we would build in our factory before we head to site. It houses the Enphase envoy behind this label, which is the brains of the system. This is what gives us panel level monitoring and consumption monitoring and back to base monitoring. It also has our main switch inverter supply, our envoy supply, and our relay supply. This here is an Enphase 3-phase relay. If voltage goes out of parameters that we set for this solar system or frequency, this relay will trip, causing the panels to disconnect from the grid as a form of protection. The main difference between our string system and our Enphase microinverter system is that this is not actually an inverter. This is nothing but controls and switches designed to protect personal property and livestock. Every single panel on an Enphase microinverter system has an inverter underneath of it, whereas on an old school string system, something you'll see a lot of in the field, you'll have one central inverter on the wall, therefore having one single point of failure. The main advantage of Enphase is that there is no single point of failure. If one inverter fails on the roof, you are only 1/6 in this case of your system down. To shut down your Enphase system, follow this simple step. Solar system is shut down by switching the main switch inverter supply to the off position. In the switchboard, main switch inverter supply off. It is that simple to switch off an Enphase system. Enphase is one of the only systems in the world also that when you turn off the main switch, you have truly turned off the supply from every single panel. However, before working on this apparatus, you must test to prove de-energized. To turn back on your Enphase system, it's as simple as turning on the main switch inverter supply. The Enphase system will take around a minute to a minute and a half to synchronize the grid and the microinverters before it produces any energy.